Finally, after many years of waiting, the Google Pixel is now in Malaysia, okay? So currently the launch models are Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro and also Pixel 9 Pro XL. So in my hands now, I have the Pixel 9 in peony color, okay? Come, let's take a look at it together. The Pixel 9 comes with a 6.3-inch screen that they call Actual Display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness can go up to 2700 nits. Battery-wise, it has a 4700 mAh battery. It also has a fast charging up to 55% in 30 minutes with Google's 45-watt USB-C charger, which is sold separately and also has fast wireless charging. Now for camera, it has a 50 megapixel wide camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide with macro focus. Now when it comes to editing photos using AI, there's this feature called Reimagine whereby we can select on a particular part of a photo and we can reimagine it to be something else. So for example, in this photo, I tap on the street and I change it to river by typing R-I-V-E-R. And then it will take a little bit of time and we will be able to have a photo edited with AI and the street is now river. There's also another feature which I really like, okay, and it's called auto frame. So basically, right, this AI feature will help us to look at the photo and help us to compose and frame our pictures better using methods like rule of third and stuff like that. It will even expand the picture a little bit and add a little bit of extra stuff in the photo in case our photo is too tight. There's also this new app called Pixel Studio whereby we can create any visuals we want by inputting text, okay? So for example, if I input something like red cat playing drums, and I can also pick a style suggestion. So for example, this I picked 3D cartoon, it will actually generate this AI visual for me that looks like a red cat playing drums. Now if I try it one more time, okay, this time I want to do blue burger with sunset background. And again, I pick a few different styles. It will generate different visuals for me. And for the realistic style option, I think it looks really realistic. It's almost like a photo of a blue burger shot in the studio. Google also included their latest AI assistant called Gemini into the Pixel 9 series, okay? And in Gemini, there's this option called Gemini Live whereby we can talk to Gemini without pressing any buttons. It's almost like talking to a friend. Come, let me show you. Hey Gemini.
Hey there, what can I do for you today?
I'm planning to make a trip to Myanmar in February next year, but I'm not sure what to do there. Can you recommend some activities for me?
Myanmar in February sounds like a fantastic trip. The weather's warm and sunny, perfect for exploring the country's amazing ancient temples.
Oh, by the way, Gemini, I am thinking of buying a gift for my mom tomorrow. What should I get for her?
That's really thoughtful of you. Buying a gift for your mom is always a nice way to show you care. To help me narrow down some ideas, do you know what she's into lately?
She's into jewelry.
Okay, that's a good starting point. There's a ton of jewelry out there, so it'd help to know what kind of style your mom likes. Does she prefer something classic and elegant?
So that was the quick unboxing and showcase of some features from the Pixel 9, okay? Now, I'll be posting a lot more videos about the Pixel 9 series, including more on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So if you love to see content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!